Careful on the slide. Daddy's not finished it yet. Careful, slow. Can you? You're really high. Wow. Yeah? You're scared of the Wibble Wobble Bridge?
Yeah. My
Well, shall I hold your hand then?
Yeah.
Come on then. So it's the first spell we've had where it's not been raining. I haven't been at it for a few days now. A couple of days ago I got the beam up, you've just seen that. Clamped it in place, not quite true yet, but because I'm on a bank, obviously it needs to come up slightly higher. So the stilts and the beams aren't long enough for the support side. Just the position I've truly chose, and being out of the ground at that side. But I could lower the main beam at the top, but I still want to walk under it without interfering me and shortening the swing too much. So I've got some extra golf struts here I'm going to put into the ground and extend them, drill through, and I've got some more fence post timber just to make it look a neater job. I know you'll see a joint, but it won't matter. I can use that then to screw into the coach bolt straight through there, through this on the back side, into the extension piece. So it's the next morning. The concrete's now set, well, sufficient anyway, nice and solid. Probably get the swings on today. Just dug out the camo cargo net that I had. I feel that the little one's just 3, so if he falls over, definitely roll out of there. That looks a bit of a danger point, so we'll get that battened up. Put an extra support beam on across here just to clamp that on. We're actually not going to use the yellow and green tarp that came with it, but I bought some camo cheaper tarp. It won't be £6, seeing as we've got a cutter zone, so that way it'll be some sort of pirate flying camo ship, I guess. Kids will enjoy it, they're already excited about it, so yeah, we'll get the swings on today. Shouldn't take too long, just hooking them on. So this is the tarp here, I just thought I'd show you. It is pretty good quality, to be fair. It feels more rubber textured, a bit like a curtain cider on an Arctic lorry. Not as thick as that, but similar feel. But that in the garden is just going to stand out like a sore thumb. So we've opted for buying, I just bought a cheap sheet, multi-purpose tarpaulin, waterproof and rope reinforced, although I'll be cutting that out It is really thin, but at least it's double-sided and it'll blend in with the garden. And also when I paint it sort of dark oak, similar to my shed, it'll just blend into the garden and not stick out.